In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the font in Shopify. First, log into your Shopify account. Once you're in your dashboard, click on Online Store from the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down a bit and you'll see your theme listed. Next to it, you'll find the Customise button. Click on that to open the theme editor. Inside the editor, look to the left-hand panel and locate the gear icon, which represents the theme settings. Click on it. Among the options that appear, select the third one labeled Typography. This is where you can control the fonts for different text elements across your store. You can also use the drop-down menu at the top to switch between pages if you want to preview changes in a specific area of your site. If you want to change the heading font, locate the heading section on the left and click the box next to Font. A list of available fonts will appear. Scroll through and select your preferred font. As soon as you do, you'll see a live preview of the change on the right side of your screen. Click on Select to confirm the change. If you'd like to change the body text as well, follow the same steps. Just click on the font box in the body section, pick your font, preview it, and select it. Additionally, if you want to adjust the size of your fonts, you'll find font scaling options here too. Once you're happy with your font selections, click Save in the top right-hand corner of your screen to apply the changes. Now, when you visit your website and refresh the page, the new font style will be visible, and that's how you can change the font in Shopify.